So each of our lives is different. Each of us have different opportunities, different challenges, different backgrounds, education, the way we think. Each of us have different professions. We are all from different social strata, different countries, religion, beliefs. But one thing which is common is that all of us want to be happy. So, about 22 years back, Pilu and I met and we got married. And it was an amazing one. We had Arth, who's now 22, he's working. But somehow, over the last few years, Pilu and I discovered that after this beautiful innings that we played together, we felt that how we saw the future was slightly different from one another. Yes, we tried our best if we can sort out the differences, but then we discovered that the differences can be sorted out, but it would be in a way that one of us will impose on the other. And that will take away from happiness. And happiness is what we all want, right? So at that point, we both sat down together and said that we will do it amicably. If we can't walk together amicably, let's walk separately, but remain amicable. And that's what we did. With grace and a degree of ease, we parted ways. But I had a firm belief that I want to get married because I want to travel with somebody. And so I literally let the word out in the universe. I was at that point 55 maybe, and I said that I want somebody to get married to. And that's how I met Rupali Barua. And we got chatting, then we met a year back, and then we discovered something interesting about one another, and we thought that we could be walking together as husband and wife. And therefore, Rupali and I got married. She's 50 and I'm 57, not 60. But age doesn't matter, my friend. Each one of us can be happy, whatever be our age, right? So, just wanted to let you know, let's keep moving. Let's respect how people are living their lives, each differently, but with the sole intention of fulfilling responsibilities and being happy. Just wanted to share that with you. Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Lots of love.